Welcome everyone to use case number 1. As a part of use case number 1, we are going to host a website of Pick-to-Learn on multiple Docker containers running on the same host machine using the Apache HTTP server. As you can see on the image, we have infrastructure or server on the bottom. The host operating system sits on top of the server, and then we have Docker engine on top of the OS. And then we're going to run 2 containers, each containing Apache HTTP server with a customized website running on them. So as a part of this lecture, you're going to learn how to build a custom image from a Docker file. Apart from that, you're going to learn how to run multiple containers out of an image with your website hosted on it, and then some very important Docker CLI commands. So long story short, this is the flow diagram of what we are going to do as a part of this use case. You basically have a Docker file. We're going to use the Docker file to build an image of HTTPD server with a website to be hosted. We're going to learn how to list all images, inspect images, run multiple containers from the image, and then inspect the containers, show all the containers which are running and stopped, maybe view container logs, and also to start and stop the container. I know this is very abstract, but you'll get used to it once we start the lessons. Here is a more detailed stack of the image we are going to build. We have, as I said, the infrastructure, the operating system, the Docker engine, and on top of that we actually have the Apache HTTP image from DockerHub. I will get to it in a little bit. And then on top of that we have the Apache HTTPD image with custom httpd.conf and Pick-to-Learn website. Now this image is going to look like this, and we're going to call this image my HTTPD image. Now let's get started on building, shipping, and running the image.